In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to recognize the formal register and also a simple phrase for you to be able to switch the conversation from formal to informal. First of all, let's have a look at the two sentences. So the first one is formal and it goes, Buongiorno, mi chiamo Laura. E lei come si chiama? And now let's see the informal version. Buongiorno, mi chiamo Laura. E tu come ti chiami? What are the differences between these two sentences? Let's have a look together. So the difference is here, in the formal, you've got an I there, come si chiama? And in the informal, you've got an I, come ti chiami? So a instead of I. And then you've got the difference between the pronoun lei, which is you formal, and the pronoun tu, which is the informal. We can see one more question in the formal and the informal, and then you see a pattern appearing. For example, you can see that the A is now recurrent also in the other question. Come sta? So come sta means how are you? So you see how to recognize the informal, because in this question there is an I at the end, and the formal, obviously you have the A. Great. Now we know how to recognize the formal and the informal, but let's say that now you want to become friends with this person. You've met them once, you ask their name or his name, you ask how they are. Isn't it time to become a little bit more friendly? And if you wish to do that, how do you change from formal to informal? And here is your phrase. Buongiorno, come sta? Bene, grazie. E lei? Molto bene. Ma diamoci del tu. Certo. Okay, do you see? With a very simple sentence, diamoci del tu, you can then switch from formal to informal. Let's have a look at another variation and also at different types of answers to this question. Great. So we can simply say diamoci del tu. Diamoci del tu. Do you want to repeat that after me? Diamoci del tu. Or we can ask, ci diamo del tu? Ci diamo del tu? Can you repeat after me? Ci diamo del tu? Great. And the answer is certo, certainly, certo, certamente, of course, certamente, or even perché no? Why not? Perché no? As always, subscribe so that you don't miss any other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!